you know. I can walk over there and to catch my bus. The bus that passing near my house. Ah, it's better. Over there, oh. The entrance is there, oh. The entrance there. The workers enter to the fabrica. Over there, the entrance to the fabrica. I think this one of the, you see. See, yes. I am thinking. I go to the overpass, and then I will get the bus direct to my house. Okay. Padaanin kaya ako dito? Pag hindi sila hihinto, hindi ako dadaan. Like this. Because it's very... you see. I show you. You see? The luxury car. You see? Green one, the blue one, the Maserati. There are many. There is a museum there. You have to pay, and they show all kinds of car. They have two of them, blue and green. I like green. Blue, I don't like blue. The green one. Let us see here. Oh, here, the museum. Let's see. I show you the entrance. How much to pay for the museum? Never been there. The museum of Maserati. You see? I like the green one. The green one is nice. Ayan. The blue, no. Ang dilim naman yung blue na yan. Dilim. I think there is a timetable. Let us see. This is the entrance. Let us see if there is written here. Showroom. This is the showroom. Showroom. Maserati store, showroom, aperto, open to public. There are the workers of their uniform. And Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 18 non-stop. The showroom. In the store, open Monday to Friday, 9:30. Alone 13 close, then 13:30 close 30 minutes until 6 p.m. You see, you can buy ticket there. Ticket there. Here I saw that they enter here, all the workers. You see, there is a museum. The Maserati. One day I have a car like that. one day in my life. One day in my life I will buy one. One day I will become a millionaire. Ako, ayaw ko talaga yung blue na yan. Bakit ba yung kulay na yan? Itim. Yung ganda yung green, The green is nice. I see. The green is nice.